In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use text templates in CapCut Desktop. First, open the CapCut Desktop app on your computer. Once the program launches, you can either create a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you are in your editing process. If you're starting from scratch, choose a new project. If you already have a video edit in progress, simply open that project so you can continue working. After that, add a video to the timeline. This is important because it gives you a visual base for placing and previewing your text template. Once your video is on the timeline, you'll be able to see exactly how the text will appear over your footage and whether the timing looks right. Next, go to the top toolbar and click Text. This opens the text tools inside CapCut Desktop. From here, look over to the left panel, where you'll find different text-related options. Click Text Template to access CapCut's built-in text template library. Now take a moment to browse the available template categories. CapCut usually organizes these templates so it's easier to find a style that matches your video. You can look through the options and choose a template based on the mood, tone, or visual style you want. Once you find a text template you want to use, select it. If the template is not already installed, click the download icon, then wait for the template to finish downloading completely. This part only takes a moment in most cases, but it's important to let the download finish before trying to add it to your project. Once the template is ready, click the plus button on the template. CapCut will add it to your project, and after a short moment, it should appear on the text track in the timeline. When it shows up, review the preview window to make sure the template is visible and placed correctly over your video. From there, you can drag the text template on the timeline to adjust its position. This helps you line it up with the exact part of the video where you want the text to appear. If needed, resize the text layer duration so it stays on screen for more or less time. This is especially useful if you want viewers to have enough time to read the text comfortably. Now click the play button to preview the template in motion. Watch the playback carefully and confirm that the text template appears correctly in the video. If everything looks good in the preview and the placement and timing are working properly, then you can confirm that the text template has been successfully applied. And that's how to use text templates in CapCut Desktop.